Oh, yo, this is free book school. Uh, School. Look, oh my god. You can just do whatever you want to do. And I want this. This is my game. All keys. Oh my god, that was cool.
Cereal Homestyle Coffee. Juicy sarap. Easy rin ang buwan.
Yo,
Kaya every bite feels like home. Sarap no? O na, pwede ka rin magkasama.
okay, teaching.
Nothing beats the comfort of Homestyle Meats.
Regular hair care can't prevent dandruff. Skincare can. New Dove Dermscalp with skincare ingredients. Rebuilds the strength of your scalp.
Oh my god. Kirambit.
And 100% less hair fall.
Kirambit.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our search taco, Star Champion 2026 is
Oh.
none other than Sharpie
OLED chat. OLED chat.
Alam ko naman ikaw, Jenny Sina, dahilan kung bakit hindi ako nanalo. Sino ko ba para mag-judge? Ano naman patunayan mo, di ba wala? Hindi ka masulikat ng todo para laitin mo yung performance mo. Hindi ka sikat na singer. Alam mo saan ka sikat? Sikat ka bilang bunga ng pagkakamali at mapagod. Kaya hindi ko matatanggap na natalo lang ako dahil ang nag-judge sa akin ay isang laos na piling singer. Laos pa, Jenny Singer. Laos, laos, laos.
I don't want to waste my time sa mga taong
Never ako winang DJ.
Megan, JC.
What? Nagsasabi ko na lang ako. Ano ba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Oo nga. Alam na yung mega na yan.
Tuloy-tuloy na yung plano ni Dani. Hindi mo rin natin naalagaan ng kung sino na naman kasi. Yes, she will. She really hasn't heard about this.
How's it feel?
Nagkakaparang